you eating your Vegemite? No. Yes, you are. What's that all over your face? What's on your toast? Vegemite? Yeah. And you never drink of water? Have a drink of water? That's your water? Good boy. Oh, everywhere. You're messy. Good boy. Cover your mouth when you cough. Very good.